Hi everybody, Tanya McIntyre here with Flow Tai Chi. I'm at our local dojo. This is where you'll find me every Monday, Wednesday, Friday from noon until 12:30 doing Flow Tai Chi at Goderich Martial Arts on Anglesey Street in the beautiful lakeside town of Goderich, Ontario, Canada, where it is a wintry day today, and lo and behold, I am all alone in this beautiful space. So I am going to do a 10-minute flow Tai Chi session. So you can see if it's something that you actually like and want to do. So what I like about this is that it's a moving meditation. So like most people, our lives run on fast forward. So it's really good for me to take a moment to be consciously present. And I've tried meditation, not a great meditator. I do like short meditations. One of my favorite apps is Insight Timer, one of the largest free meditation apps in the world. I also like Breather from Dr. Vo. He has some nice short meditations, like 2-3 minute meditations that I find very helpful. So we're just moving our weight from side to side to get started. This is a very good form of exercise without feeling like exercise, which is what I love about it, because I hate exercise. So we don't have any complicated moves to learn here. Just consider me your mirror image. My teacher and mentor is Dr. Adam Potts from North Carolina. His empire is called Begin with Breath Tai Chi. So I highly recommend you watch some of his videos on YouTube as well. So no complicated moves to learn here. So we're going to start by doing what we call the soft fist. So it's like we're holding little baby birds in our fists. And we're going to pretend our arms are empty coat sleeves. And we're just going to start letting our torso direct us from side to side. And our arms are just going to swing like empty coat sleeves. And wherever our little soft fists are falling, on our abdomen and on our back, that's exactly where they're meant to be. This is a very powerful acupressure exercise that stimulates our vital organs. It's our energy moving, the blood flowing, and it helps us connect with our breath, feeling the sensations of our body, sensations of our breath. Torso lead the way, and our arms follow, and it's empty coat sleeves. Falling wherever they fall, that's where they're meant to be. And then we're going to slow it down. We can maybe exaggerate our move from side to side, letting our knees soften. And then we're going to take whatever arm is at the rear of us, we're going to slow it right down. We're going to pretend we're skimming over the surface of water. And then we do the other side. Nice and slow. Feeling the air moving through our fingers. And you can step a little farther apart if you want to really get into the lunge of this. You can make this meet your body where it is, right? So I always like to have these little kind of kickstand feet. But if your feet are too far apart, you might start to feel pressure in your knees or in your back. So you want to move a little bit closer together. You want to meet your body where it is. And now we're going to bring both arms in the same direction. We're going to bring them up to shoulder height as we go nice and slow. And again, shifting the weight back and forth, nice and slow. And we're going to do a move now that's going to help us with our balance and our stability. And it's called testing the water. So whatever side we're on, we're going to take the opposite foot and just like it's going into the water to test it, toe on the floor, and then we're coming back tub on the floor in front of you, testing the water. So the leg goes back. Curtsy. Actually, you can turn this into more of a little curtsy by putting the back leg diagonally behind you and bowing down a little bit further. Again, meet your body where it is. Sorry for that water sound. Pretend by a babbling brook. That's the some doing its job here. On this side. Slow, steady, flowing movements. Moving meditation. Mindful community. One time on this side. With your body sensations. Feeling the sensations of the body, meeting the body where it is. Because you don't have to go too far into a lunge to get the benefits of this flow Tai Chi. This is a moving meditation, very powerful form of exercise and feeling exercise. Moving the energy, increasing our blood flow, lubricating our joints, decompressing the spine. Speaking of that, let's do an actual decompression spine exercise. So we're going to come into what I call our wings. We're going to come to center. Wings. And then the abdomen here, we're going to palms facing the ceiling as we bring them up to our heart. Then one hand is going down and one hand is going up. Open our heart and chest to really feel that nice big stretch. And then we'll make it back to our heart. We're doing the opposite side. And we're keeping our spine neutral at this point. And then, if you want to, you can lean into it for one of these. Feel that stretch. Breathe into it. Come back to center. Next side. Now, if you're not up for the bend, you don't have to do the bend. Just keep on doing the up and down movement. It's equally beneficial. So when you come down, you'll notice that you're going to be softening your knees a little bit as you soften down and then stretch up, decompressing the spine. You might want to hold it for a few seconds. Back to our heart. Do the opposite side. And that's all it takes. 15 minutes a day of slow, focused movements to feel countless benefits. I can't tell you how this has changed my life. I am so passionate about it, which is why I'm here in front of a camera, because I do not like being in front of a camera. But I want you to see the practice, to see if it's something that you can actually imagine yourself doing. Because there was a time in my life I couldn't imagine doing anything like this. We'll do that. One more time on either side. Connected to your breath. Feeling the sensations of your body. And then, when we get down to our abdomen, we're going to bring our hands up into wingspan. All the way up as we collect all the beautiful, healing, loving kindness of the world. We're bringing it into our heart. And we're doing that again. And this time we're going to bring our hands, palms facing the floor. We're going to sink down a little bit, soften our knees. We're going to pretend it's a big ball in front of us, but it's actually a ball all of that beautiful, healing, loving energy. Scoop that up and bring it up to our heart. All that beautiful, loving kindness that surrounds us. I'm going to do this one more time. Moving the energy through our body, softening down. And this time when we come up, we're going to have our hands in a diamond shape. And we're going to be collecting all of that beautiful, loving kindness that's in our heart. And we're going to send it out into the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Then we're going to turn our palms to face us and bring them to our heart. Sending all that loving kindness, healing energy back to us now. And feel the energy sway back and forth like your bamboo in the wind. And as you feel that loving kindness, you can send some loving wishes to yourself. May I be kind to myself and others. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Connect to your breath. Feel the sensations of your body. Moving like nature. Shifting your weight back. Feeling the flow. And then our hands can float down and come up into prayer position in front of our heart. And we will finish off with a bow. Thank you all for being here. I hope to see you at the dojo, Goderich Martial Arts on Anglesey Street in the beautiful lakeside town of Goderich, Ontario. We are here Monday, Wednesday, Friday from noon to 12:30. Hope to see you soon.